Wow. So guys, this kind of video or this kind of activities will not anger Buhari. It will not anger him. You know that he gave bandits some time that, oh, by the time they will come for them, that they will be surprised, this and this and this and that. But when it comes to issue of IPOB and Igboho, oh my God, you will be so hungry. DSS will tell you that you don't expect us to fold our arms and begin to watch some people turn this country upside down. I could remember in February, March, Buhari gave these so-called bandits, according to what he said then, 2 months to surrender. If not, they are going to hear it hot. Till today, nothing happened. Last month again, he said the same thing. That, oh, by the time they will deal with them, they will know that they are just giving them time to desist from all of the things that they are saying. Is that not the armor tank of a Nigerian army? How did it get to their hand? All the northern groups, they will just be looking the other way as if it's not it's nothing, but their concentration is on Southeast. Oh, this is how Boko Haram started, but they will never, the way they always come out to condemn IPOB and other agitators, they will never condemn this kind of act, and this is happening, and this guy have the effrontery to be displaying it. They will tell you, oh, they have bought this, they have bought that, they have bought this. Before you know it, we will see all of those things in the hands of all this group of people, and they are not angry about it. They are not angry about it. Just yesterday, we learned that one of the Navy officer, Navy officer now, was caught that he was part of the people that could knife to come and attack NDA. They quickly, his name is Solomon. They quickly arranged him. They said they saw some ammunition with him and what have you. But this one, they won't go after them even after displaying this whole thing. If these people tell you that they are taking responsibility of any atrocities being committed, the Nigerian government, the Nigerian security agency, they will just be looking the other way around. They won't be bothered. They won't be bothered. They will see it as nothing. The chief of defense staff, Lucky Rabo, telling us that the attack on NDA was just a mere one. It's nothing to worry about, according to the way he put it. But see their own equipment in the hands of this particular set of people. No, it will not anger them. It will not worry them. It's a normal thing. You begin to hear Malami issuing some kind of statement that is capable of turning this country upside down. If not that, no matter what, you see that the Southerners are not always quick to take action. With all these rubbish statements being made, the same set of people are the ones that are always being arrested in the southern part of the country. Me, I've never heard that they arrested some group of Southerners trying to sneak into all these northern states. No, reverse is always the case. But see the display by this set of people. They know that bargain for what we consume them. This is just the beginning. It has now become a private car to them. Nigeria should split. Maybe when we split, the North would have sense in all aspects of life except agriculture. They are just behind. It was General Buratai that delivered it to them. With what is on the ground, Nigeria is gone beyond repair. It is irredeemable as it is now, and that is the handwork of truth being told. Nnamdi Kanu once promised Nigeria that he will destroy it with truth, and that is what he has accomplished. I love the person I'm following and I can't go back. First of all, this is not a tank. This is an armored personal carrier. How disheartening that these people are roaming freely and they are not being challenged. Soon they will go on full offensive, which might lead to disaster in the north. These people are the security for north, while army are causing insecurity over there. Is this not one of those 60 armored tanks purchased from China a few weeks ago by this APC-led government? Imagine the display of this armory was done in the southeast. By now, Buhari would have ordered 5 million soldiers with machine guns 10,000 or 10 million police with AK-49, G and what have you, 1 billion civil defense, with AK-47 to go to the southeast. Let us be sincere with ourselves. Is it possible for anyone to own armor tank in southeast and in the east? With all this, some politicians are still preparing for 2023 election. Those ones, forget them. Those ones, forget them. Those of you who used to talk nonsense, I hope you guys are seeing what all the security agencies and politicians cannot stop in North. Instead, they channel their energy and might against peaceful protesters. Imagine ESN displays one armored tank to even help protect our land from their terrorists. They wouldn't mind to borrow $10 trillion to level the entire southeast in one day. Let them keep on focusing on IPOP and ESN. Northern state is gone. It is not even by northern state is gone. If they will not even allow them to be coming to the south generally, because by the time they finish with those people there, because they've been trying to creep in into south, by the time they finish with them, you think they will not come to this side, or you think there's anybody that is going to stop them with the way they have giving Esme free hand? You think they are going to stop it, that they cannot even stop it? You think it's going to be possible? That's just my own humble opinion, because it's unfortunate. That is one of their entitlements from federal government. Of course, this is not funny. It's not by having their own entitlement. This is not funny at all. This is their own share of the armor tanker government bought from China. Maybe they snatch it from the army. Just guessing. If they snatch it, why can't they go and collect it back? And they are not saying anything about it. They are just quiet. They are making it seem as a normal thing. Some people tell you that, oh, IPOP, you are doing, you are chewing, you are whatever, you are taking more than what you can chew. You are doing this and that. The Nigerian army, by the time they descend on you, you will not be crying foul. You'll be crying that they are marginalizing you. This and this and this and that. But they will come. They will not go there to go and display their talent. See, they will leave them. They won't do anything. Those long metal ropes were the ropes used in dropping off the tank from the plane for them in the forest. Simple logic. They seized it from Nigerian soldiers. This is armor tank China sold to Nigeria government few weeks ago. The same Sambisa forest which more than 2,000 Nigerian army are in, the same forest Boko Haram are patrolling. My question is, do we really have two types of Sambisa forest? If the answer is no, Nigeria, sorry. If we borrow money from China, use it to purchase armor tankers, later send it to his people. One Nigeria indeed. Where are the DSS, EFCC, and others? Come on having a club meeting in a hotel, then you will see them. Come on having a hotel meeting in a hotel, you will see them like bees. So guys, leave your comment down there below and let's have your take.